We gonna start this thing alright. Duval in the money logging out. Come on, come on. Do it, baby, take it, baby. Do it, baby, take it, baby. Do it, baby, take it, baby. Do it, baby. I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you now.
Hey guys, it's Catherine back with another DIY. Today I will be showing you how to chalk paint a chest of drawer, and I'm going to go ahead and take the knobs off and get started. I won't be doing a lot of talking in this video because I do want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and get started now. Alright, I have gone ahead and removed all of the knobs off of the dresser. So let me show you what we're going to be using today. Today I'm going to be using Waverly's white chalk paint, and this can be found at Walmart. And this is a 16-ounce bottle, and it does sell for $8.96. I did purchase 2 of them. Not sure if I'm going to need them both. Chalk paint is very forgiving, and it does go a long way. So I'm just going to be prepared in case I do need the 2 instead of the 1. Also, what you would want to do first would be to remove the drawers from out of the chest. However, I can't seem to remove these drawers, so I'm going to just go ahead and paint with them open. And then it dries really fast anyway, so that will be okay. Alright, so again, I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm just going to go ahead and start painting. Oh, again, and another thing, with chalk paint, you do not need to sand your furniture ahead of time. You just go right ahead and apply the paint over the actual furniture piece. Now I'm going to start painting for real, y'all. All right, guys, so after day 1 of painting the chest, I was able to go ahead and get the drawers out, which has definitely made it a lot easier for me. So I have gone ahead and put on several coats of the white chalk paint. I can't even tell you how many coats because I really wasn't counting. I just painted until I got the whiteness that I desired. So this is what the base of it looks like. Let me get a little closer. Just all painted white. So glad I was able to get the drawers out because it made it a lot easier to get in between the cracks and the crevices. So this is the actual base of the dresser. Now take a look at the drawers. The drawers look really great. They look really good out and painted. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did with the hardware. All right, take a look at the hardware. And I was able to go ahead and get it all painted, and you know what color that is. My go-to, my favorite, Rust-Oleum metallic silver. So I think that's gonna look really, really good once I get those knobs back on for you to see. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to go ahead and start the top coat process, and I'm gonna show you what I'm using for the top coat. All right, so this is what I'm going to use for the top coat to protect the chalk paint. I'm going to be using this polyurethane water-based sealant, and it is really good for chalk painting. As you know, chalk paint is very chalky and very flat. And I got a satin finish, so it's going to give it just a little bit of a gloss so that it won't look so flat and dry. And also I've gone ahead and purchased a water-based Urethnans brush, and it's supposed to be a lot better than using a sponge brush. I shouldn't get any brush strokes, and the brush won't actually shed. And it's actually a lot wider than most sponge brushes that I've used in the past. So these are the 2 items that I'm going to be using to go ahead and get put on the dresser or the chest for the top coat. So come along and watch me in that process. All right, guys, the chest is all finished. It's all chalk painted white, and I do love it. I think it looks really, really good. What a nice transformation. This project was so simple and really quick to do once I did get the drawers out. It took me just a couple of days to get it done, but I'm very pleased with the results. So let me just pan the camera around and let you take a really good look at it. Look at those knobs. Metallic silver. I love it. All right, so now I will put all the items that I did use down in the description box, just so that you'll know what I used and where I got it from. And again, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if it's something that you'll tackle, if it's something that you think you can do. And again, as always, continue to keep on living your best life. Until next time, bye-bye.